Meaning of herbal.
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 Herbal. The term herbal refers to things that are made from or contain plants or plant extracts. It can be used to describe medicines, supplements, or remedies that are derived from herbs. These herbs may be used for medicinal purposes, culinary uses, or as fragrances in perfumes and cosmetics. Many cultures have used herbs for thousands of years to help treat illnesses and maintain overall health. The use of herbal medicine is often associated with natural remedies and alternative therapies. As such, herbal products have become increasingly popular among those seeking a more holistic approach to healthcare.